Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This time around, I'm going to be showing you several of the tips and tricks I've accumulated over the last several years teaching and customizing Bluebeam Revu. One way that Bluebeam helps us find the differences from revision A to revision C is under Document. We can go to Compare Documents, and it's going to load the two drawings that I have open, and I'm going to say OK. It's going to look at these pixel by pixel and create a third document with a diff extension. I'm going to split my screen again and show all of these side by side, and you can see that it found all the changes in pixels layout. So originally they had a rounded wall. I think the sheetrock guy probably said, that's ridiculous. Let's square off that wall. So they revised that. They also added some light fixtures in here. If you come over here, you can see that they changed the door configuration and removed the bathrooms. That is Document Compare. It's going to find everything that's different between those two drawings. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save this, and I'm going to come back to it in a second. And I'm going to show you a tip with that one. Close that. The next one I want to show you is under Documents again, the overlay pages. This is going to be like an old light table. It's going to assign red to Rev C and green to Rev A. If you have any trouble seeing those colors, you can always come in here and modify those, whatever you want those to be. And I'm going to click OK. It's going to put those on top of each other on a brand new document called Overlay. I'm going to split my screen again. So they're all side by side. And here you can see both of those versions on top of one another. Everything that didn't change is black. And then you see the revision A is green, revision C is red. And then also over here on our layers panel, you can see that each one of those was put on its own layer. So you can turn those on and off. So that is overlay pages. Now the trick I want to go back to is we can combine those two tools. So one of them, the Compare Documents, shows you where the changes are. The Overlay Pages shows you what the changes are. So if I want to combine those two, I'm just going to I'm going to stay in my Overlay Pages document. I'm going to come down here to the Markups list, Markups, and Import. And I'm going to navigate out to where I saved that drawing. So that was here. I'm going to say Open, and it's going to pull all of those cloud markups onto this document. So now I have both, where the changes are and what they are. And I can save this into my revision folder. And that should bring us right up to the end. I hope you've captured some good notes. With these time-saving tips and tricks you can apply immediately to your workflows this afternoon. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.